Hi guys, just introducing the new recipe ebook feature from MEALZEE. So what you can do is basically, once you've created a plan, now without editing individual meals, if you just spin it up and you've got 7 different breakfasts, lunches, dinners, there's all options there. You can now generate an ebook link. So you simply click that. And then what will pop up is a cover page. So you can put instructions on this cover page. I'm just talking about a competition we've got at the moment where you can win a year subscription to MEALZEE just by referring MEALZEE to your friends. And in this instruction, you can hyperlink to websites, your social media handles, you can put calendar booking links, you can even put YouTube videos like I've done here. Then you do update link or generate link. And then what will open is something like this. So you can put your logo here, it'll be branded with your colors. This is the instructions. So like I said, all of these are hyperlinked. I can take this to certain pages and I can even put in YouTube links. So you're sending this to a client. Your client then has access to all of these recipes. So they can click on the recipes that appeal to them. They can view the recipe cards. They can download the PDF if they like. This has got all the instructions. And if they like that recipe, they can actually add all the ingredients to a shopping list. So as they filter through this ebook, they can just add the recipes that they like to the shopping list and then click on that shopping list and up pops an editable shopping list. So they can then go and edit for items that they've already got at home. So they can delete them, they can edit quantities. And once they're happy, they just download a shopping list. What then downloads is a shopping list branded with your logo and colors, and then they're done. They can always then go back to the table of contents. So this is a pretty cool little feature. It's great for PTs. It's not a meal plan, so you're staying within scope. You're just providing recipe suggestions. But what you can do is you can provide recipes that are targeted to that client's needs. So it might be gluten-free or high protein, or recipes within a certain calorie range, or recipes that exclude things like zucchini or onion or dislike. So whatever a client doesn't like, you can actually get rid of them and create a heap of recipes that are suited there to their needs. So if you want to check it out, it's just in the MEALZEE platform. And if you've got any questions, by all means, reach out. Thanks.